Welcome to the future of retail analytics. Today we're going to explore the incredible world of heat mapping. Heat mapping is a powerful tool that's transforming the way retail stores operate. So, what exactly is heat mapping and how can it work for you? Heat mapping is like a magic wand for retail store owners. It's a technology that allows you to track and visualize customer movements and behavior within. Imagine having the ability to see in real time or retrospectively which aisles are frequented the most, where customers linger, and how they navigate your store. Now let's talk about the benefits. By understanding customer movement and behavior, you gain a unique insight into what's working and what isn't in your store. Here's how it works. Heat mapping tells you which aisles are the stars of your store. You'll discover the aisles that customers flock to. This will show you where the hottest products are located. Knowing this, you can optimize those areas for even more traffic and sales. Dwell time, which is how long customers linger in a particular area, is a gold mine of information. Heat mapping reveals these hotspots, helping you identify customer interests. You can then place your most enticing products and displays in those spots to capture customer. By using this data, store owners can proactively adjust their product aisles and placement. If you discover that certain sections are underperforming, heat mapping allows you to reorganize those areas. This means better sales and a more engaging shopping experience for your customers. The beauty of heat mapping is that it's not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing tool adaptable to changing trends and customer preferences. You can use it to fine-tune your store layout and product placement, ensuring your store remains appealing to your customers. So, whether you're a small boutique or a massive retail chain, harness the power of heat mapping to make informed decisions and enhance the overall shopping experience. Heat mapping, it's your secret weapon for a successful retail operation.